Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Sonet supports Apple CarPlay and choosing wired or wireless. Use an Apple-certified Lightning cable for a wired link. Wireless needs Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi on. Once done, unlock your iPhone and set Bluetooth to discoverable. Move to the Sonet head unit, power it on, and pick the phone projection or Apple CarPlay icon from home. You'll see a prompt on both devices. Accept pairing on the iPhone and the car to initiate the first handshake. You'll now authorize CarPlay and adjust settings so it's useful. When prompts appear, allow contacts, messages, and Siri access. This lets voice and calls work hands-free. If the Sonet offers a default connection option, choose CarPlay for future use. Next, customize the app layout on your iPhone via Settings General CarPlay and select Sonet. This controls which apps show on the Sonet screen. Make sure Do Not Disturb, while driving is configured the way you prefer. You're ready to use Apple CarPlay in daily driving. Tap apps on the Sonet screen or press the steering wheel voice button to summon Siri. Speak short commands for navigation, calls, or music. When finished, end the session from the head unit or unplug the cable. Future connections should auto-launch. If something breaks, restart your iPhone first, try a different certified cable, and remove and repair the Sonet in Bluetooth settings. If problems persist, perform a factory reset of the infotainment as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.